Okay, g'day guys. So today we are talking about the Double Hand Landmine Press. Good for the front of for the anterior delts, but one of the great little hidden gems of nailing the clavicular head of your chest is this particular exercise here. So the landmine press. Today we're going to talk about how to set it up, watch out for some pitfalls, and get the most out of our chest exercise. So what is it that we're looking to do here? Well, with the landmine press, we're looking to have the barbell here and press up and ahead. Now you can see that when my hands are nice and tight and close, we're actually getting a good amount of upper portion of our pec. Now, why is that? Well, our pec or our clavicular head on a 45 stimulates really well, and oddly enough we are mimicking our 45 position by the way in which this bar travels. So that's the reason why we're getting really good stimulation through our clavicular head. There are a few little things that we need to be aware of. So first things first is that just like any pressing position, we want to make sure that our shoulder blades are back and down, creating a nice stable platform and pronouncing that chest. Remember, if our shoulder blades are off, then we're in this position, we're rounding off, and we're getting way too much anterior delt into the game, when what it is we're trying to target is our clavicular head of our chest. So shoulder blades back and down, but because we are up on our knees with this particular exercise, we're actually going to engage our hips. So let's go into how this exercise is going to look. All right, you're going to start like so, and in this position here. Now, because we are in a full body mode, I would suggest creating a triangle-like pattern with your knees and squeeze your glutes on. That will shore up your hips in order to create as much stability as possible. From this position, we want the end of the bar to be coming in towards our neck. Now the mic is placed right on my neck, but I would be starting at that particular point there as low as possible. My hands are actually going to intertwine. Some might like to hold it over and under. I just like to have a nice firm grip with my thumbs running underneath the barbell. From here, I'm pulling my shoulder blades back and down, okay? And from this position, squeezing my glutes on so everything is rigid. My entire body is as tight as it possibly can be. From here, we're pressing up and just following the line of the barbell. So ready in 3, 2, 1, up, squeeze. Now at the top, I'm going to feel as if I'm clamping my hands together and breaking the barbell with my hands and squeezing hard through the chest. So again, shoulder blades back and down, control the negative, press, squeeze your hands as tight as you can at the top, squeeze, 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 and you're going to feel your chest come absolutely alive. If you're not feeling it through your chest, there's a fair chance that we're not pulling our shoulder blades back and down hard enough. Now, something to be aware of. Obviously in that position, we can find ourselves potentially overloading or hyperextending through the lower back. So we end up right back here just because of the weight. All right, that's what our glutes are for. We're going to make sure that we have created a nice stable base. Our shoulder blades are back and down, but we're not overextending in this position here if it's causing discomfort. If you can, we don't want to end up in that position, and the reason being is because it'll end up hurting a little joint down in the bottom here. So we want to make sure that our shoulder blades are back and down, we're up nice and tight, screwing our knees at a triangle, so we've got a nice open stance, but we're creating loads of stability through these hips by squeezing glutes on. Team, that there is how you want to go about executing your landmine chest press.